So guys, I think you have understood the character of Rapunzel, a character in German fairy tale, a beautiful young lady, and that is why here the poetess, she has presented the character of Rapunzel, and she compares Amanda with Rapunzel. Why? Because Amanda wants to become Rapunzel. Amanda wants to lead the life as Rapunzel. In spite or despite being, she knows that Rapunzel, she was in captive or in a state of captivity, captured by a witch, and she was kept in a cottage, in a tower. It is a small cottage. It is a tower high above the tree, and she used to lead a very lonely life. Rapunzel, she was all alone there. Only the witch, she used to meet her with the help of her long golden hair. This was the misery of Rapunzel. It was a sort of misery in the fairy tale, German fairy tale. But Amanda wants to be Rapunzel because she has so much, she has totally irritated and frustrated. So out of frustration, out of suffocation and irritation, she wants to become Rapunzel. She has chosen the life of Rapunzel, that she wants to stay in a solitary place where nobody will be there to interfere her life. Nobody will be there to instruct her, to order her, to regulate her. So she wants to escape to that desolate place, remote place, and in a solitary atmosphere. So here, that is why the poetess, she has presented the character of Rapunzel, and she has compared Amanda's temperament and thinking with Rapunzel. Very nicely she has presented, very nicely she has emphasized both the characters. Amanda, a young girl, and Rapunzel, a young beautiful lady with long golden hair. So guys, this is very rational phenomena, that when a young girl or any teenager or adolescent, he or she is, especially the girls, they are regulated or they are instructed. Always they are ordered by their parents, or their parents try to overpower them. What do they feel? Or what is the consequence, and what is the output of their thinking, or what is the output of their tolerance? There is a limit of tolerance. When it becomes, or when it is beyond their tolerance, then whatever here Amanda feels, it happens. It happens with them also. Amanda, it is symbolic. Amanda symbolizes this age, 12-13-year-old age. Amanda symbolizes the temperament, the thinking, the frustration, the irritation, the fantasies, or the imaginary aspects of every teenager girls. So this is the content of the poem. We can say this is only the content of the poem, or synopsis of the poem. So guys, I don't want to exaggerate your lesson, so you please note down five, not five, 10 words from this poem.